Hi friends, you need a wonderful website for your business. Cryptocurrencies are trending and we have collected great WordPress theme on this channel for cryptocurrency websites. This is another one and I am with Lymcoin WordPress theme in this video, and we are going to overview its complete feature, installation process, demo website and all. So after watching this video you will be able to take a decision about buying this theme, and this theme is especially for cryptocurrency and ICO websites. So Lymcoin has been developed by Ancora Themes, and Ancora Themes are Power Elite author. So the theme is available on the theme forest and you can follow the link given in the description to get the theme. The theme came into existence in 2018 and the last update was done on 1st July 22 as on date. So this is being the latest update, and the regular updates are being done for this theme. And Lymcoin is a multi-purpose cryptocurrency WordPress theme, and it is powerful, modern and bold, perfect for cryptocurrency and financial blog in general. So you can use this theme for cryptocurrency and related business websites, and we are going to install the Lymcoin WordPress theme in this video to overview its complete feature. I have this fresh installation of WordPress, and I am assuming that you have already taken a domain name and hosting for your upcoming website. If not, please follow the link given in the description of WP Themes website. You can get hosting, domain and themes and everything there, whatever you need for your website, and even we are available for support in making your website live and up. So this is fresh installation on a test domain, and I'm going to install Lymcoin, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have licensing, documentation, main theme file and the child theme file. Theme file size is 33.5 MB, so I will like to upload the theme directly on the server. However, you can use the WordPress interface to install the theme. We have to be on the theme section under appearance and click on add new, upload theme. Here we need to choose lymcoin.zip. so this is the installable file, lymcoin.zip, and through WordPress interface it may take time. However, it depends on your server. This is a very good and interactive option to upload the theme, but I will upload the theme directly through the cPanel, and the cPanel, I'll go to the file manager, I'll go to the concerned domain, WP content, themes, and here I'm going to upload the theme file. And this is the lymcoin.zip, and it can be simply uploaded through the file manager or FTP. So theme file size is a bit high, this is why I chosen to upload the theme directly on the server. However, the WordPress interface will also work equally fine. So the theme file size is 31.92 MB, and it is now uploaded, and it is showing 100% with green progress bar, and we can come back and extract the uploaded file. Upon extraction, we got this Lymcoin folder in which we have all the components of theme, folders and files. So simply delete this zip one, we don't need this now. Coming back to the themes screen, we have Lymcoin as another theme option, and we can check the details. This is Lymcoin by Ancora Themes. As on date, this is the latest version 1.3.4. when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version depending on the availability. So how quickly the theme is being updated, but yes, the installation process and the features will remain almost same. So Lymcoin is an excellent WordPress theme with many different blog and header layouts. Okay, this is the introduction only, so we can activate the theme. And upon activation we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme. So theme decks add-on is required, and all set plugins are required, so you can begin installing plugins. these are list of 15 plugins that is required. So we can take a look. This theme uses WPBakery page builder, and this is of course a very wonderful page builder. Revolution slider is here for hero images. Events calendar has been added. 2 main plugins, theme Rex updater and theme Rex donation. If you are using this theme for donation generating purpose, collecting donation, you can use this theme as well. More M chart is here, essential grid, cookie information, contact form, body press. So this theme is also for forums, so you can create cryptocurrency forums. So baby press and body press is here, and theme Rex add-on is of course the main plugin and it is required, and Lymcoin add-on is also there. So only 2 plugins are required, rest are recommended, but we will install all the plugins in order to get the complete feature later. Just in case if we are not using any particular plugin and its feature, we can deactivate and delete the plugin in due course. So I'm choosing to install all plugins, and these are 15 plugins, and I can install all plugins in one go because I am confident about my hosting server capacity. And if you have taken the hosting from the WP themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server that works very fine and comes in a very reasonable price. As you can see, all plugins got installed, all 15 plugins got installed within seconds, and we can come back to the installer screen, and this is time to activate all the installed plugins, and this also can be done in a single click. So it will take a bit, and all plugins got activated without any trouble, without any error. So we are fine, and we can come back to the dashboard. We have installed the plugin, all set of plugins and theme itself, and it is going to welcome page, so we can skip for the time being. So that is welcome page of event calendar, and we are here again, and we can come back to the dashboard. Okay, so we have done, and we have installed the theme along with the plugin. So we can take a look of our website. Okay, so it is showing Lymcoin. So we are intended to install the Lymcoin, I believe. So let us see what happens. So it is also from the same house, I believe, and Lymcoin is already on this channel, so you can find that as well. So we have installed the Lymcoin. Why it is showing it? It's fine. Okay, so there might be initial earlier components laying name, at least laying in the installation. So this is why it is showing we have installed the Lymcoin. I will recheck this, so I got confused as well. So Lymcoin is here, so no doubt, and we have installed the plugin, and this is the look of our website, how it looks. Okay, so okay, got. So this is the problem. The last video was on Lymcoin, and I have yet not changed the name. I just forget to change. This is okay. So you don't need to do this. I'm doing it for me. I am not hiding nothing in my videos, so everything is on your screen. And this is the beauty of this channel. So now it is WP themes. It is not Lymcoin. So now we can proceed for importing the demo content for making a website like this. So this may be our target website, and for this we need to import the demo content, and importing demo content is very simple with this theme. And we have on-click demo data option here, and we have 2 choices here. We can select pages, forums and sliders, and if it is a new installation, we can select the whole demo site, and after that we can even select what exactly we want to have at our website. But yes, this is the fresh installation, we need everything. So simply click on the start import, and the screen will tell you the rest of things what is going, and it is very fast. So BB press, essential grid, revolution sliders is still pending. So media may take a bit time because it is downloading the media files, images from the developer server. So everything is being downloaded from the developer server through this API connection. and we are getting the complete demo site here. So we need to wait here without refreshing the page, without hitting the back button. It requires patience, so you have to be here. Don't disturb the process. However you may explore the options what we are going to get at our website. This is a very professional look of website, and the pages are very fast and stunning. So it is loading in blink, in fact. So the speed is the key for the success of any website nowadays. And now media has been imported and the thumbnails are being generated. So it will take again some time, but yes, thumbnails are not so important. You can do it later as well, so we can skip it. We can take a look of our website, how it looks, and of slider alias. So slider was not imported, so I can check why slider failed. And rest of things are here. So demo install, and why slider? So in the theme pack slider is not here. So I will find the slider components. So thumbnails are being deleted, and we can check the slider evolution in another tab. So there is no slider at all. Okay, so let me find it. Okay, so slider got imported after thumbnail, so it is nothing to worry. And now I believe we have received the slider as well. I can refresh this page, and yes, so sliders are here. So home, box, and okay, so that is very cool for me, and I can recheck this page. Okay, so we got this complete website without any trouble. We just need to wait patiently while demo is being imported and the complete website is here. So speed is really very good, and you can see the complete website is here. So we can check the pages, community, forums. So BBPress and its forums is also here. So this is an unique feature of this Lymcoin cryptocurrency WordPress theme. That so generally cryptocurrency theme does not comes with the forum. So this is very wonderful option to start a cryptocurrency forum using Lymcoin WordPress theme. So it is very important update, and you should keep in mind you can also run forums, and it is well connected to the website. So in the back end it is connected to the VB forum, and okay, so it is all here, and we got this complete website, and I'll show you what we got additional. So okay, let us find quickly what we got additional in form of tabs. So events, we need to handle the events from this area, and I believe you can simply update these events just in case if you are willing to show events. As on front page we saw the events. Okay, so I'll show you the event sections. So since no event is there, so this is being the event section. And okay, so you can simply update the events from this area. Chats are here, so this is for showing chat, and we can see what chats are here. Lymcoin. Okay, so just in case if you are willing to show chats, so it is well available here, and it is a good option. In fact, I never find chats option in any installation. This is also a unique feature. Okay, so add chat, JS chat is also here, and we can simply create the JS chat. Okay, so this is very wonderful, and I can very good. And next option we can check is the okay, so chats are here, media, pages, comments. So donations, as I said, you can use this theme for collecting donations just in case. So it is well available here, and there is complete donation features available here, so we can check the pages as well. So this is the donation collecting page, and it is fully integrated, and all features are here. You can use this feature as well. And okay, so we can go back to the features and layouts. So layouts is very important section in the in this installation, because you may be finding where to edit the header and footer and everything shown on the website. I mean the area shown on the website, so you have to handle the header and footer area from this layout section. Again, services is another tab that shows all the live services at your website. And just keep in mind, just in case if you are not using these pages, any services or any other thing that is not useful for your website, you should delete those pages, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine, and it is a bad impact for your website. Similarly, themes can be handled through this option, and themes are here. And I'll show you very quickly forums. As I said, this theme as well supporting the BB forum, and also you can start forums here and beginners help, and also there is different topics on forum. You can completely create a new forum and run forums as well, so as I shown you on the live website. So topics are here, so these are forum topics in fact. And no, so this is different thing. Okay, I'll show you what is here. So discussion topics, I believe. Okay, so let us check what is here. And it is some discussion topics area, so it is good one. And this is also an additional feature at this installation of Lymcoin, and its replies, so it is connected to forum, as I believe. Activities also connected to forums. Emails, okay, so all the emails, I mean the templates, can be handled through this tab. This is also very important, just in case system is sending an email, you can edit as those mails here. And then next is the cookie information, that is fine, and the slider. So these are the enough things that is available for controlling our website. And I will also show you the theme option. Okay, so I'll show you very quickly. And this is the logos and site identity section, through which you can upload the logos, and basic settings are here. General settings like body style and remove margins and also things, design and effects. Header area settings are here, and rest of things you have to maintain in the layout. Footer, front page builder, and okay, so blog. So just in case if you need to enable front page builder, you need to check this option, and there are other options as well. So you might be again finding where to edit the text. So front page builder is here, and you need to handle the text contents and areas through this section. So this is also very important setting for your website. Blog, typography is under your control, you can change the colors as well, and plugin settings are here. So these are the complete settings and the control available for our website, and I believe you will be able to create a very professional website using this Lymcoin. And just we created a demo website in this video. So just in case if you are having any question regarding installation of this theme, we can get in touch. You can follow the link given in the description of WP Themes website, and also write your concern in the comment section of this video, and I will definitely try to help you at my best. And I am coming with another great theme in the next video. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel, so if not, you may please subscribe this channel. I am bringing wonderful WordPress resource, and even now I am adding HTML resources. So remain in touch with this channel, and I'm really bringing wonderful resources for your websites. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.